Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Xaeros Minimap. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your launcher and check your release version. Okay, as you can see, I have 1.21.11. Now, keep that in mind. Yours may be different. Okay, so I'm just going to hit on close. Now, open up your browser and decide which mod loader you're going to use. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and use Fabric. Okay, you go ahead and use other mod loaders as well, like Forge, NeoForge, or whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and type down Fabric, hit on enter. Go ahead and download it from fabricmc.net. Download. Wait for this download button right here pop up. Now go ahead and click on download universal jar. Wait for it, and it's done. So what we're going to do next is download the Fabric API as well. So click on it, and it will open up a CurseForge. So what we're going to do in here is click on Files. Now go ahead and find the version that we need. Okay, so game version right here, 1.21.11. Mod loader would be Fabric. Okay, so you can see here 1.21.11 Fabric. At the very top is the latest release. So just click on the three dots, hit on download. Wait for it. As you can see here, it's done. So what you got to do next is download Xaeros Minimap. Okay. So while we are in here under CurseForge, we can go ahead and click on Browse. Then Minecraft. Just find Xaero. Okay. Hit on Enter. Now Xaeros Minimap is available. Well, all we got to do is just click on it. And of course, go to Files. Now again, game version, same version. Mod loader would be Fabric. Okay, download the ones from the top, download, and just wait for it. Okay, you'll be able to see it right here at the top right. There you go. It's done. Let's now close the browser and go to the Downloads tab. Okay, as you can see, we now have these three. So what you're going to do first is go ahead and install Fabric Installer. Double click on it. Hit on install. Again, select the version, okay? Hit on OK. Close. Now delete the Fabric installer. Just minimize the folder right here and open up the Minecraft launcher. Now go ahead and go to installations. And in here we have Fabric Loader. So click on the folder icon. And then we are going to find the mods folder right here. If you can't find it, well, just go ahead and create one, okay? Click on new right here, just click on folder and name it mods. Now double click on it. Now, as you might remember, we still have these two files. So what you're going to do is just copy both right here. Close this one, close the mods folder. Now you can go ahead and hit on play right here, okay? Under Fabric. Hit on play, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, open up a world, okay? So you can go ahead and test it out. Now, as you can see here, Xaeros Minimap is now available. When you go ahead and press on Y, we now have the minimap on or off, okay? You can go ahead and change this one however you want. Change positions, just like so. Confirm, waypoint settings, overlay settings, you name it, okay? And that's basically it. That is how you download and install Xaeros Minimap. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.